Hi, I'm Michael Chua, and you're watching the Chua channel. I'm scouring the Tampa Bay area to... Wait, did I say Tampa Bay? That's right! We are in Florida, and I am scouring the Tampa Bay, Florida this week to bring you the best in food, travel, entertainment, and whatever else strikes my fancy. Please like and subscribe to join me in the adventure. Today, Cory and I are riding the zipper at the Florida State Fair. See if you can watch this without laughing. Please excuse the sound, as it was recorded on my action cam.
Oh my god. I don't like the cage aspect to it. I mean, I feel... Oh my god. Whoa. Look how pretty the Ferris goes. Oh yeah, that does look pretty. I can't turn that way. I already feel like I need a breathe. This is fun. I like the fair. I love the fair. The sun is really pretty. The sun's really pretty over there. That's hilarious. You know what that was scariest part is when we were upside down going super fast by the ground. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And bye!